Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're going to be doing is taking a look at Eyal Levi's controlling low end trick. Eyal Levi is a producer and mix engineer who has been working with such great metal musicians as The Black Dahlia Murder, Firewind, Chelsea Green, and many more. Also, he is a founder of URM Academy, Nail the Mix, and Riff Hard. If you want to learn from Eyal on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. In our today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Eyal Levi's controlling low end trick. And first of all, let's have a listen to our drums. In our drums multitrack, here for instance we have some fast kick sections, and when we will be mixing our drums, our fast kick sections can sound muddy. And in this case, how to clean our kick to make our fast kick sections sound cleaner. The first trick from Eyal Levi is by using plugins automation. So in this case, we can use automation of our bypass in our Waves Audio Q1 equalizer. So in this case, we have to hit our bypass button here, and here in Studio One, where we have a sign, we have to hit automation. Now we have some automation for our equalizer. And in this case, we can automate our equalizer only on fast kick sections. For instance, let's have a listen to our fast kick sections without any equalizer. Now let's have a listen to our fast kick sections with our automation of our equalizer, and here I'm using high pass filter, and I'm using high pass filter around 60 Hz to control low end of our kick on our fast kick sections. Now one more time, let's have a listen to our fast kick section with equalizer and without it. So in this case, to make our fast kick sections sound cleaner in our drums mix, we can use this trick by automating bypass on our equalizer. Now let's take a look at second Eyal Levi's trick, how you can control low end on your fast kick sections. So in this case, let's highlight our kick audio track, and now let's hit right click of our mouse and let's choose duplicate track complete. So now we have two identical audio tracks, and in this case we can use our kick 1 audio track only for our single kicks, and we can use our kick 2 audio track only for our fast sections. So in this case we can take split tool in Studio One and cut audio area only around fast kick sections. And now let's delete unwanted audio information on our kick 2 audio track. Now let's go to our first kick audio track. Again, let's use split tool. Again, let's cut section of our kick fast tracks. Let's highlight this section and let's delete it. So now we have our first kick audio track only for our single kicks, and we have our kick 2 audio track only for our fast kick sections. And on our kick 2 audio track, let's use Waves Audio EQ. And here again, we're going to be using high pass filter, and we're going to be using high pass filter around 60 Hz. So let's have a listen to both of our kick audio tracks. Now let's have a listen again to our kick 2 audio track, but without our equalizer on. Without our equalizer, our kick 2 audio track sounds muddy. And once again, let's use EQ on our kick 2 audio track. And once again, let's have a listen to our kick 2 audio track with our EQ on. So now our kick 2 audio track sounds a little bit cleaner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video, and I hope this video will be useful for you. Again, if you want to learn from Eyal Levi on mixing, you can check out his videos and courses on Nail the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.